Once you hit Edit to enter our school, you'll see several things on this first page. Up top, there'll be the school and community summary and the core values, beliefs, and learning expectations, which is information that every group might need. Below that are sample reports of the different standards and indicators. This is a continuum of terms, which may be a handy thing, just some language that you can use when you're writing your report. And then below that are the standards. Click on the one that you've been assigned to. You will only have access to that one. And click on an indicator to go ahead and open it. So let's look at Standard 3 Indicator 2. And you'll see once you get in there, it first says what the standard is, and then this is where you'll be inputting the report. It gives you some understanding here of how you're supposed to format things. It gives you an example one, and you can go ahead and plug it in here. Make sure when you're working in this that you always hit Save All Responses as you're working, because it will not automatically save. You do need to push that button. So this is where you'll put your conclusion sentence. Down below is where you'll have an explanation narrative. This is also where you're going to add files, which I'll show you in another video in just a moment. The functionality is pretty much like any word processing. You have your centering, your italics, bold, different things like that. So this is here for you to use, but you probably don't need to get too fancy with most of the formatting. So that is the basics of how to get into your standard.